Hello, everyone. Greetings from Medicine Hat College. My name is Clara, the International Student Recruiter here at Medicine Hat College. We are attending the Education Fair, which is organized by Canam from April 5th to the 20th. Medicine Hat College is a fully accredited public comprehensive community college located in Medicine Hat, Alberta, Canada. Our high student satisfaction and employment rates reflect our supportive environment and commitment to student process. With just over 2,000 full-time students, Medicine Hat College is able to offer personalized support and services. Canam is one of our trusted partners, and we are attending the event that is organized by Canam. So if you are interested to know more about Medicine Hat College, kindly book an appointment with Medicine Hat College desk number 102 through your Canam counselor to know more about the programs we offer. And we also have exciting news. If you or your friends are in Dubai, we invite you to book your slot to meet with us in Dubai on May 4th. I look forward to see you in the Canadian Universities and Colleges Admission Fair. Have a great day.